Out on the streets of Chicago, the snowflakes dancing all around me. It's Saturday night, feeling low, but the blues, they're always round me. I see the lights in the windows, warmth spilling out, a sweet embrace, lost in the rhythm of the city. In this storm, I found my place. Storm falling heavy, I'm feeling proud. People gathering in the taverns, voices to harbor, laughter breathes. Wind chill, it don't matter. Let the rhythm take control tonight. In the freeze, we feel the glow. Chicago's heart, it feels so right. Even in the storm, I'm never alone. Every note is born. When they produced thought of way back climb, that fear the playlist will be just fine. We'll be all alone, we'll be just fine. Hold me. Hear the guitars wailing loud, snow falling heavy, I'm feeling proud. She in this bluesy haze tonight, Chicago's heart, it feels so right.